In Word, you're used to being able to add page numbers, but have you ever wondered if you can add slide numbers into your presentation? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software. If you're finding any of my tips and tricks useful, then please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like tips sent directly to your inbox, then use one of the links in the description below to join my email list. Here I am in PowerPoint, and you can see I have got a presentation running which has 9, 10. Oh, there's 20 odd slides. I want to add a slide number. Now, of course, I'm used to using Word. I should just be able to do it quickly and easily. And the good news is, yes, you can. So under the Insert tab, we've got the text group, which is the third from the right group. And you can see we've got text box, header and footer, word art. Now you can actually go into header and footer. And under slides, you've got slide number as an option, which puts it into the automatic area, which is the bottom right-hand corner. Key thing to note, you've got apply and apply to all. So remember, apply is going to just add things in for this one slide. If you want to do it across the deck, which is usually why you'd want slide numbers, you do need to click apply to all. And there is the number automatically added in. The alternative to that, so I'm just going to undo that command, is next to word art, I've got my three little icons. The middle one you'll see says insert slide number, and this one takes me straight into the same thing. I can click slide number. Now, again, remember, apply to all. Another quick tip, don't show on title slide. You might prefer to do that. If you don't want slide 1 to come up, we can say don't show on this slide. On title slide, which is the one that I'm on. Now apply to all. I don't get slide 1, but as soon as I look at the others, you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, I've got my automatic numbering. And of course, why do it automatically? Well, if you need to rearrange things, which you frequently need to do in a presentation, you can see that my 5th slide is now slide 4, and it has been updated to keep that numbering correct. As quick and easy as that to add in a slide number to all the slides, or even just 1 or 2 slides here in PowerPoint. I'll see you on the next video.